Hello everybody, welcome to Wealth Window. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that can transform your financial future, the miracle of compound interest. So, what exactly is compound interest? Simply put, it's the interest calculated on the initial principal, which also includes all the accumulated interest from previous periods. This means that your money can grow exponentially over time rather than just linearly. Now, why is this significant in personal finance? Well, understanding compound interest is crucial for anyone looking to build wealth. It's not just about saving money. It's about making your money work for you. Imagine investing a small amount today and watching it multiply over the years. The earlier you start, the more powerful this effect becomes. In this video, we'll explore how compound interest can be your best friend in wealth building. So, stick around as we uncover the secrets to harnessing this financial powerhouse and setting yourself up for a prosperous future. Let's break down the concept of compound interest in detail. Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. This differs from simple interest, which is calculated only on the principal amount. In essence, compound interest allows your money to grow faster over time. The formula for calculating compound interest is A equals P1 plus R bar N A N T, where A is the amount of money accumulated after N years, including interest. P is the principal amount, E is the annual interest rate, N is the number of times that interest is compounded per year, and T is the number of years the money is invested or borrowed. To illustrate, let's say you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%, compounded annually. After 1 year, you'll have $1,050, but in the second year, you earn interest on that new total, leading to $1,050. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to significant growth, showcasing the true power of compound interest. The power of time. When it comes to maximizing the benefits of compound interest, time is your greatest ally. Starting early can significantly increase your returns, allowing your investments to grow exponentially. The earlier you begin investing, the more time your money has to compound, leading to greater wealth accumulation. For example, if you invest $1,000 at a 5% annual expected growth rate, after 30 years, you could have around $4,320. However, if you wait just 10 years to start, that same $1,000 investment would only grow to about $1,648 after 20 years. The difference is staggering. This illustrates the importance of patience and consistency in investing. By committing to regular contributions over time, you can take full advantage of compound interest. Even small, consistent investments can lead to substantial growth when given enough time. So, whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your portfolio, remember that the power of time can turn your investments into a wealth-building machine.
Stay patient, stay consistent, and watch your money grow.
Now, let's get into some real-life examples to expand our learning and really hammer down what can happen with the power of compound interest. Let's explore some real-life scenarios that showcase the miracle of compound interest. Take the story of Sarah, who started investing $200 a month in a retirement fund at age 25. By the time she turned 65, her consistent contributions, combined with an average annual return of 7%, grew to over $1 million. This illustrates how starting early and investing regularly can lead to incredible financial outcomes. Another example is John, who opened a high-yield savings account with a 2% interest rate. By depositing $5,000 and allowing it to compound over 20 years, he watched his savings grow to nearly $7,400. A simple graph of his account balance over time clearly shows the upward trajectory, emphasizing the power of compounding. Various investment vehicles utilize compound interest, including savings accounts, retirement funds, and even certain bonds. Each of these options allows your money to grow over time, reinforcing the idea that patience and smart investing can lead to significant financial rewards. Now let's address some common myths surrounding compound interest that can mislead many investors. One prevalent misconception is that compound interest is only for the wealthy. In reality, anyone can benefit from it, regardless of their financial status. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time, proving that compound interest is accessible to everyone. Another myth is the belief that wealth can be built overnight through compounding. While it's true that compound interest can accelerate growth, It requires time and patience.
Quick riches are often unrealistic. True wealth building is a gradual process that rewards consistency and long-term commitment.
Additionally, it's crucial to understand the impact of fees and taxes on compounding. High fees can eat into your returns, while taxes on gains can reduce the overall effectiveness of compounding. Being aware of these factors is essential for maximizing your investment growth. By debunking these misconceptions, we can empower ourselves to make informed financial decisions and harness the true potential of compound interest.
Strategies for maximizing compound interest. To truly harness the power of compound interest, there are several actionable strategies you can implement to enhance your investments. First and foremost, consider making regular contributions to your investment accounts. Whether it's monthly or quarterly, consistent contributions can significantly boost your overall returns over time. Even small amounts can add up, especially when compounded. Next, think about diversifying your investments. By spreading your money across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can optimize growth and reduce risk. A well-diversified portfolio can help you take advantage of various market conditions, ultimately enhancing your compounding potential. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of reinvesting dividends and interest earned. Instead of cashing out, reinvesting these earnings allows you to purchase more shares or units, which can lead to even greater compounding effects. By following these strategies, regular contributions, diversification, and reinvestment, you can maximize the benefits of compound interest and set yourself on a path to financial success. Start today and watch your investments grow. In this video, we've explored the transformative potential of compound interest in building wealth. We learned that compound interest is not just for the wealthy. Anyone can benefit from it by starting early and making consistent contributions. We also discussed the importance of time, patience, and understanding the impact of fees and taxes on your investments. By implementing strategies such as regular contributions, diversifying your portfolio, and reinvesting dividends, you can maximize the benefits of compound interest and set yourself on a path to financial success. Now is the time to take action. If you haven't already, start your investment journey today, no matter how small. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to compounding. That will wrap up this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos related to business, personal finance, and much more. Be sure to check out our video series called Investing 101, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.